Good afternoon. It's Tuesday, April 11th, 2017, and as you can see by the images here, the Marquette area received between 6 and 12 inches of snow in an overnight storm that has completely done away with any concept of spring. We're right back in the middle of winter. For those of you who are in the warm weather places, you'll be pleased to note you're skipping out on heavy-duty shoveling. This is the wet, heavy snow, the kind that breaks tree limbs, and people unfortunately get heart attacks trying to shovel. And I don't mean to be glib about that. Almost all of us know somebody who passed away after trying to shovel too heavy a snow. However, compared to what it was Sunday afternoon, this is like somebody flipped a switch on a movie. It's absolutely beautiful. You can see the snow sticking to the trees. On the other hand, it's like somebody, I don't know, time machined us something. I don't have the right words. Meanwhile, Stormy is walking in the snow, and the look on her face is, huh? This smelled differently a few days ago. But she's adjusting well. She's a pretty placid animal, unless somebody knocks on the door, or unless another dog comes by and then she barks. In the meantime, I just wanted y'all to see that Marquette had snow last night and we're back to winter. With a little bit of luck, it's supposed to warm up tomorrow and a lot of this will melt. That would be very, very nice. Anyway, we're going back towards the water now. Have to take a video of picnic rocks or my fans will wonder if something happened to me. Stormy does like jumping through the snow. I don't know why it gets her going so well. It's just she does enjoy that. And she's obviously on the trail of something. You can hear and see the waves down there. Come on, kid. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, it's up, up, up. I know. Oh. Okay. Come here. All right. Here we go. Come on, let's go. Don't. You can see we're down on the beach. See the waves coming in. You can see the snow is covering the beach sand. No ice, and I don't think ice will form. It's in the low 30s now, about 34, 36 degrees. I just don't think the ice will form again, but I'm not a climatologist. Okay.